crypto investors are in trouble right now. And in fact, the entire crypto market starts to look like it's in a dilemma a little bit. So let me explain to you what's going on, and then we can talk about what we should probably do about this kind of scenario. So overall, all the economic factors, economic indicators show that the markets should be much higher. Everybody is expecting Bitcoin to be above $200,000 by December 2025. But right now, things are looking down and more scary. In fact, if you look at the greed and fear index, right now the crypto market is towards the fear side of things. It's crazy how much things can change within a week. So what is going on? So like I said, you got interest rate cuts and the monetary policy and everything else is looking positive for risk on assets, including crypto. The debt crisis in the US is just getting more pumped up, positive for crypto. On-chain data, ETFs, everything is positive. Except one thing, we're supposed to go up, but then we have a tariff war between China and the US. So if Trump didn't actually start off the tariff war again, well, right now Bitcoin could have been maybe at $150,000 already within the last week. But that has been disrupted. And it has been disrupted aggressively. And then it's not getting better. So what's happening is that today you hear some positive news that, the Trump and his administration is going to meet China. So this tariff war is about to end very soon. Oh, that's positive. Markets are starting to react, and then Bitcoin starts going up again. And you wake up the next morning, they say, Trump just introduced more tariffs on China before they meet. And then the market starts going down again. So you're like, you cannot exist in two worlds. It has to be one or the other. So what do? Because if you overtrade in this kind of moments, you're losing money. If you don't do anything about it, you might miss out on the rally, because these prices might be considered golden in like a few months from now. So what do you do about it? The best thing to do is to just think a lot long term from now on. It's very difficult, obviously, to predict what happens in the next hour, in the next day, in the next week, but it's more clearer if you look at it from a distance. So it's easier to predict what happens 2 months from now. If you think prices will be much higher a month from now or 2 months from now, then you have to act according to that, not what's going on today or tomorrow. So for me, all the economic indicators are still positive. I believe by the end of the year, prices will be much higher. Right now, I'm considering it a discount. I'm buying everything I can and opening some long positions, but with low leverage. What do you guys think?